If you're active on the internet, you've probably heard about the AI image generator called Flux AI. A few days back, two brand new AI image generators were released. Imagen 3 from Google and Grok 2 from Elon Musk. Both can create hyper-realistic images with accurate text, but only one of them is open source and uncensored. Can you guess which one? The answer is neither. The real hero here is Flux from Black Forest Labs, a new image generation model that's taking the world by storm. In fact, it's the model powering Grok's images. People are calling it the MidJourney killer and the next-gen replacement for Stable Diffusion. Flux is so realistic and potentially dangerous that it's gaining worldwide attention. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Flux AI to generate unlimited high-quality images for free. You don't need to install anything on your local computer. You can use it directly on a web interface for absolutely free. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the tool we'll be using is called Piclumen. It's a great tool where you can generate unlimited high-quality AI images for absolutely free. Recently, they've added new features like image-to-image, image in painting, consistent characters, and most importantly, Flux AI. We're going to try all of these features and compare them with MidJourney. To access this, just click on the Launch App button, then sign up using your email ID, and it will take you to this interface. From here, click on Create, and it will take you to the main interface where you can generate the images. In the model section, you can see multiple pre-generated models created by Piclumen, and we also have the Flux One option. First, we're going to try the image-to-image model that they recently added. For this, I'll use the Piclumen Realistic model, which is a pre-generated model. To upload your reference image, just click on the image icon here and upload your reference image. Once that's done, click on the image and you'll see multiple options like content reference, style reference, and character reference. If you want to generate the same character, choose character reference, and if you want the same style, select style reference. For this video, I'll go with the character reference. You can also control the strength of your input image, but I'll just set it to the max option. Now, in the prompt section, you can give it a simple prompt. You don't need to give any complex prompt. Then from here, you can select the desired aspect ratio, and over here, you can choose how many images to generate. I'll select 4 images and hit generate and wait for it to generate the images. These are the output images. You can see that it has copied the face very nicely. If you're not happy with the results, you can adjust the input image strength and regenerate until you get the result you like. Now, if you click on the image, you'll see a download option. You can also remix your images, and there's also a built-in background remover, which is pretty neat. Recently, they added an in-painting option, so let's try it. Just click on the in-paint button. You'll see an editor where you can adjust the brush size. Let's say I want to change the color of her hair. I'll paint over the hair area, make a rough selection, then type red hair in the prompt section and hit generate. Alright, this is the output, and you can see that now our character has red hair, which looks really good on her. So that's the image-to-image option. Now let's move on to Flux AI, which is my favorite feature. To use it, you need to select the Flux One model from here. Then, give it a prompt to generate the images. You can use simple prompts to generate images, but if you want better results, let me show you a way to create great image prompts every single time. First, go to ChatGPT and write a normal prompt. Then, ask it to change the prompt for Flux One and also command it to work as a prompt engineer. Then hit generate, and as you can see, it has improved the simple prompt for better results. Now, all you need to do is copy the prompt and go back to Piclumen, paste the prompt, select the aspect ratio and number of images to generate and hit generate. Here are the output images. You can see that they look amazing. As mentioned in the prompt, we have the pirate woman on her ship looking at the camera. You might have noticed that all the images have warm tones. This is because when we enhanced the prompt, it included a sunset scene. Overall, the images look very high quality. Now, I've used the same prompt on MidJourney, and this is what it generated. I know it's not a fair comparison, but this is just to give you an idea. These are the outputs from MidJourney. Here's the side-by-side comparison. The image on the left is from MidJourney, and the one on the right is from Piclumen. The Flux AI image has more saturation and contrast, while the MidJourney image is more natural in terms of lighting. Both images have the same quality though. If I zoom in, the image quality looks similar in both. Here are some additional results using the prompt. Photograph of a woman wearing a Joker mask on a busy street. Just take a look at these images. They're absolutely breathtaking. Now, this is what MidJourney generated using the exact same prompt. Let's do another side-by-side comparison. On the left, we have the MidJourney image, and on the right is the one from Flux AI. To be honest, I prefer the Flux AI image because it has more contrast and creativity. The MidJourney image is more realistic, but you can notice there's a lot of noise in it, while the Flux AI image has hyper-realism, maintains the details, and looks much better than the MidJourney one. If you're pointing out any flaws in these images, keep in mind, this is absolutely free. On the other hand, with MidJourney, you're spending $30 a month. As of now, this is the best free option available since there are no charges or daily usage limits. At the time of recording this, it's completely free. I'm unsure if they'll roll out paid plans later, but right now, it's the top alternative to MidJourney. The link is in the description below, so feel free to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.